Continuing from our previous video, I will assemble an excavator for you. Because I'm prepared the accessories in advance, my job will be faster. If let child play on his own, he may need more than 1 hour. This toy will let kids understand the parts of an excavator and improve his patience and hang-on ability. Okay, first, use the screwdriver and nuts to install 4 wheels and cap on a rotating platform. Then a boom, a dipper. Finally, the excavator is completed. Contact us if you are interested, or follow us to catch up next products.